Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be trying to convert my GTI into something a little bit more cozy. So if I can show you here, I picked up this air mattress. If I measured correctly, it should fit in the GTI perfectly, but that's if I measured correctly. So let me throw you here on my chest, and we'll unbox this here and then go try it out. Grab the key here to open this. Now this is just a nothing special, just air mattress I got off Amazon. I believe it costed me right around 70 bucks. This is not any sort of affiliations. I purchased this with my own money. Alrighty. Let's see what this thing looks like. In the box, we have the bag. It's pretty simple. We have some instructions here. I believe I have to inflate this with a pump that is not battery powered. I have to plug it into the back of the vehicle. So I think it's pretty straightforward here. I say we take this to the car and see how she fits. All right, made it to the car. Let's look in the back and see what we got. So let's see what's inside here. I can open these. Oh, they're tied up. Tight. Okay. Got this open now. Let's see what's inside. Assuming this is the pump. Yep, air pump. We're needing this attachment. Should be the air mattress. All right, let's figure this out. What is? These are pillows. Put the seats down first. Okay. Let me move you guys to my body. Okay. Oh man. Alright, so this is the front side because it's wider. That's not the front, the top side. Put the pillows down here. Move this down here. Yeah. Sorry guys if this quality is bad. I haven't really recorded like this before. Alright, so looks like she's gonna be tight, not gonna lie. Let's try to get this up as far as we can. Alright, looks like we probably go into here. So let's plug this into the outlet. Alrighty. Let's plug our pump in. Does it need the attachment? Can we just plug it right in? No. Let's see here. We'll use this one. Let's plug this in. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm seeing right now. Sorry it's loud, the car's got to be on for this. Alright, how does this work here? How do I plug this in? Huh. Maybe we'll have to look at the instructions. Okay. So it should just go on here. How does this spin? I think this is supposed to come off. Maybe? I don't see how this adapter is supposed to get on here with that lip. Where to go in there? Inflate. That says inflate. What the helly? Insert output plug to socket of pump, then connect. I don't see how this is supposed to go on. I mean, that could. Oh. I got it. Okay. This took me a second, but we figured it out. Let's turn this thing on. Hopefully she inflates. Where's the button at? Okay. And there's nothing. Oh, there we go. We're inflating. Let's go turn the car off here. She's loud. We don't need it on anymore. Oh, sorry guys. This camera's probably bad. Let's actually move these seats up as well to give us a little more room. Okay. Let's put this driver's seat up. Here, I'll just hold you guys so you can see what I'm doing. It's sticking out from the back just a tad bit, but I think we can fix that. Okay. Put you guys back on my chest here. All right, so let's squimmy this up. Looks like it fits in here pretty good. Oh, this is like perfect. I think I measured well, or actually it's gonna be tight. I can probably bring this down a little bit. I'm just worried about this latch for the trunk, but I think we can get it in there just a little bit. Fold it down. That should work well. Oh yeah. All right, so here's the fit, guys. I mean, it fits pretty well. I'm gonna test it out here. We're gonna close this door. Let's see how she feels. Oh man. I mean, it's not bad. Don't have much room I'm working with here. Let's close the trunk and see how it feels with that closed space-wise. Hopefully it closes. Alright. That closed. Without any issues. It's gonna be a little tight. I'm a 5'9", and let's see. Head here, I don't have a pillow, but head roughly by the seat. This is my current feet situation. So I'm gonna have to sleep at an angle, which is fine. Hopefully you guys can see everything here, but there's gonna be two of us, me and my girlfriend. So it's gonna be a little tight, but for 70 bucks, this should do the job. Oh. So as you guys can see, it's all pumped up here, and it fits just perfect in the GTI. I did have to fold the front down just a tad bit. I have both the seats the whole way up. The front had to fold down just a tad to fit in here, so we don't have any issues with the actual trunk latch, because we wouldn't, not the last thing we'd want is the latch to get stuck in there and deflate this. But yeah, like I said, I'm 5'9", and hopefully you guys could saw okay of how I fit in it. It is tight. I cannot fully stretch out in it, so I'll have to sleep sideways in it. But I mean, for 70 bucks, it should do the job. It fits pretty well. I mean, it is an air mattress. It's, you know, it's not a luxury bed, but pretty pumped about this. Pretty cool too. It fits in there nice and neat. We have the cargo pod on here, and if I told you guys the whole reason I got this was sit down here, actually going on a trip here soon to headed up to New Hampshire to hike Mount Washington, and me and my girlfriend are headed up a few days earlier. We're gonna go up through New York and Vermont and do just some stops on the way up and do some car camping, which I've never actually slept in the car, so it should be interesting. I did pick up a cooler off Amazon that was relatively cheap. I think it was like 50 bucks, and it should keep stuff cold for about 3 days. So yeah, in about 2 weeks we head out for this, and I'm planning to try to record it. But I just want to show you guys kind of the setup we have right now. I mean, it looks kind of badass. I mean, but yeah, I mean, so far it fits good. It's not leaking. As we use it for 3 or 4 days, I'll be able to give you guys a better update on how it holds up. Worst case scenario, I ordered it off Amazon. You can always return it if it pops or have any issues, but I think we're solid. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to stay tuned to the channel to see how it plays out when we're in New Hampshire. But